Welcome to our comparison of two popular Canon RF lenses, the Canon RF24-105mm f4 IS USM and the Canon RF75-300mm zoom lens. In this video, we will explore the key features, performance, and value of each lens to help you decide which one is right for your photography needs. The 24-105mm lens is known for its versatility and professional quality, while the 75-300mm lens offers an affordable option for those looking to capture distant subjects. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to pricing, the Canon RF24-105mm f/4 IS USM lens is priced at $1,399, reflecting its professional-grade features and build quality. In contrast, the Canon RF75-300mm lens is much more budget-friendly at just $239. This significant price difference makes the 75-300mm lens an attractive option for beginners and hobbyists who want to explore telephoto photography without a hefty investment. The Canon RF24-105mm lens features a constant f/4 aperture throughout its zoom range, allowing for consistent exposure and depth of field control. This is particularly beneficial for low-light situations and achieving beautiful background blurs. On the other hand, the RF75-300mm lens has a variable aperture ranging from f/4.5 at 75mm to f/5.6 at 300mm, which can limit its performance in low-light conditions and requires higher ISO settings as you zoom in. One of the standout features of the Canon RF24-105mm lens is its 5-stop optical image stabilization, which allows for sharper handheld shots, especially at longer focal lengths and in low-light conditions. In contrast, the RF75-300mm lens lacks image stabilization, making it challenging to achieve sharp images at 300mm without a tripod or high shutter speeds. This is a crucial consideration for photographers who often shoot handheld. In conclusion, the Canon RF24-105mm f/4 IS USM lens is an excellent choice for professionals seeking versatility and high performance, while the Canon RF75-300mm lens provides a budget-friendly option for those looking to explore telephoto photography. Each lens has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your photography needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.